typically we spend more time indoors in the winter months, so it's been quite nice and warm here lately. Our professional organizer, Amy Payne, is here to give us some ideas about how to get organized in these winter months. Now, February is a special day for organizers, or special
January.
month. January,
Yeah. It's Get Organized Month.
Get organized
We call
month.
it Go Month. Lots of organizers do different things around the country during January. It's a very popular time. Our phone's ringing off the hook, which is a good thing.
Yes.
But everybody likes to start the new year off fresh, clean out the old, organize the new, and get everything situated for the upcoming year.
And so you're sort of stuck indoors anyway, so you may as well. do
Most
something
years.
about it. Most years, except this weekend it's 60 degrees.
I know.
and
I
beautiful.
don't. What happened with the weather wrong?
He's still scratching his head about that.
Trying
I
to
think.
figure it out. But normally this time of year is cold, so you're stuck inside, and that's a great time to get organized.
Well, and we were talking before we came on the air about that box of photographs.
Yes.
That many people. Now, I don't have many photographs anymore because they're all on my cell phone. But
Good for you.
when you have those photographs and you think you're going to get to it, and you
Right.
promise yourself you will.
Right. I love a good winter day. Maybe put the fireplace on, put a movie on, and just set up a table and get to organizing. Even your digital photos. It's a good time to sit in front of your computer, your laptop, watch a movie. You can multitask, just chill out in the recliner and get your projects done. So
If you're doing the hard copy photos you hold in your hand, what kind of binder or book or box, what do you recommend? Because I know acid is an issue, the kinds
right.
of papers you preserve them in.
Right. A lot of people have old photo albums and they really aren't looking through them. So we usually recommend you digitize as many as you can because
So scan it in. Okay.
Scan them in. Most people look at them online or on the computer or TV anyway. And then go ahead and take them out of all those old albums and just store them in acid-free photo boxes.
And are those pretty easy to find?
Oh yeah, you can
And
get them
does
at
it
hobby
say-
stores and
Does it say acid free on the box?
most
How
photo
many-
boxes are these days.
That's good.
So,
And
yeah.
what does it do to the pictures? What's the problem?
It keeps them from the acid.
Mhm.
It makes them deteriorate faster.
So it just eats into your
Yeah, it just
picture.
eats into them. So yeah, we have some basic photo boxes, and then we have some super fancy. I should have brought it. If I'd known we were talking about
you
this.
should have.
Some
Yeah.
super fancy. They're called a legacy box, and they're really amazing, great quality archival boxes for your photos. So
That sounds great. And that is really a good way to preserve them, especially as they're
Mhm.
yellowing, because they'll just
Right.
eventually dry rot or fall apart. Where can we get more information about getting organized?
lastingorder.net is our website, and you can call us 812-858-2457. Call us, go to our website. We've got an email contact form on there. You can let us know anything you need help organizing. So
That's great because it is that I was telling her it's time to do my spices, my pantry.
yes.
So you'll be right over after the show, right?
Yeah, I will be. We should do a segment like I did with Laura, where we come in and I can organize your place and we'll put it on TV.
We could do a series
Exactly.
to organize my life. Thanks so
Exactly.
much for helping us get started in the new year.
Thanks for having me.
We'll be back with Charlie after the weather.